Hello, I am continuing this mission that I have on Trinity Care's Health Concierge, wherein I'm trying to spread a slogan that the Holy Trinity cares for everybody. They want us to be healthy physically, mentally, spiritually, and financially. We only have to keep on bugging them, keep on talking to them, keep on, as if you really have, you're not alone in your challenges in life. Like with me, I have so much challenges that, especially though that I lost my husband, but life goes on, and this is my mission to share the goodness of the Holy Trinity, God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. We just have to have a personal relationship with them. Anyway, tonight I wanted to talk about this innovative living benefits that a lot of people like me needs, especially in times of need, when we get sick, where we cannot work, we do not, and we have way to solve our problem. Anyway, let me see. I prepared this video. Let me see what it's next. This is the benefits of living. There are really lots of benefits. You have to count our blessings every day. Little things, big things. There's so much to be thankful for, and to see there's so much benefit in living, you know. And all of us have a mission. We just have to ask the Holy Spirit what it is, and the Holy Trinity will guide you. That's been guiding me, you know, and it brings smile on my face. I know that He is on my side. So I'm gonna talk about this life living benefits, life insurance. I made this presentation, I saw some of my um, what do you call it, those who have been ahead of me in this crusade of sharing these living benefits. you know. So I'm a medical doctor, uh, and I believe in this product because you use your death benefits when you need it while you're living. Of course, it's beneficial if you have something to leave behind your loved ones, but it's also very beneficial for us to be able to use some money when we cannot work, we have we're disabled, we have chronic illness, you have an accident, you're critically ill, and it's very, very good, especially at this time of the pandemic. Let me see if I can start this. So if we die too soon, there's death benefit protection. And if we live too long, there's a cash value accumulation, income riders. And if we become ill, excuse me, it's only 9 o'clock. Accelerated living benefits when we become ill. So either you are having a term life insurance or a permanent life insurance, you get the living benefits. But of course, with the permanent life insurance, you have an added cash value accumulation. How much you can, contribute or pay in these living benefits. Uh, it's whether term or permanent. It's already into the system. So when you are terminally ill, you can get up to like 1.5 million, of course, depending on the face value of your insurance. But you can get to as much as 90 to 100% of your accelerated death benefit. It depends on you. Chronic illness, you can get it lump sum or you can get about 2% to 20,000 monthly while you're recovering, while recuperating. Chronic illness, you can get as much as 80%. And chronic illness, especially if you uh, miss only two of the 6 ADLs, like eating, transferring, bathing, um, dressing up, and things like that. Now, if you're critically injured, you can also get up to 90%. And there's a cash accumulation, which is like a savings, you know. Living benefits available from age 0 to 85 years old. With children's built-in living benefits. There's the Gap Flex Life, which up to no lapse years, up to 95 years old or more. You know, so lifetime income benefit rider, additional death benefit protection with 100% living benefits, low cost of insurance, potential lower premium, and higher cash accumulation. Now, living life happens, things happen. Everyone lives longer. Some are living longer but ill. Life expectancy in for men is 82.6 years, and life expectancy for women is 86.4. Oh my goodness. Keep on yawning. 43% of Americans have used most or all of their savings to pay for medical bills. One half men and one third women will develop cancer in their lifetime. Strokes are a leading cause of disability in the US. Someone has a stroke every 40 seconds. 1 out of 2 adults will have at least one chronic illness. 2 out of 4 households that have filed for personal bankruptcy were due to medical problems. Most Americans will spend 20 years in retirement. That is because we live longer with the advent of technology and medical research. 60% of Americans have 10,000 or less saved for retirement. That's true. So, what are the chronic? Let me see here. I think I'm gonna go here. So, if you have examples who have 1 million in death benefit, add living benefits for free. So there's um, terminal illness. Um, generally, uh, insurance would advance it when you're um, certified by the doctor that you're not gonna live more than 12 months. But with this insurance, with National Life, within 24 months, that's 2 years, which is, I think, very good. And they're all tax free and available right away. Chronic illness, as I said, when you're recuperating in or you have this, you're certified by the physician that you have 2 out of 6 of the ADLs, then you are qualified to get at least 2% of your death benefits monthly. Critical illness, and that is with the um, neurological problems like the ALS, motor neuron disease, stroke, and also cardiac arrest, plastic anemia, blindness, even just with one eye. I think most of the life insurance, you'll qualify only when you have 2 eyes, when you're really blind with both eyes. And critical injury, you're like in your coma, you're in paralysis, you have severe burns or traumatic brain injury. Traditional way, old way, buy individual coverage for each threat costs $800. And the living benefits, you could use it in whatever you need, like to pay your mortgage, to pay your bills, um, or if you get better, spend it on vacation. It's a one policy, multiple benefits. One premium cost is $200. Pretty good. And this is in retirement. This is 401k, for 403b, IRA account. This is with the $350 a month for 10 years. This is what you get, and then your tax with all this. So basically, tax due to is about 31,000, and actually your total cash value is 62,000. So the actual cash for you is actually only 31,000. But with the IUL, with critical illness, you get about 80%. That's 400,000. With chronic illness, you get 2% of each month, up to 10,000. With terminal illness, 90% to 100%. And that is entire face amount. and they're all tax-free. I'm learning. I think I'm learning. I'm really getting passionate about this because nowadays that's what we need. Extra financial help. And this is just a sample illustration where um, the the face value is 1 million, and you pay $200 monthly, and this is what you get when when on the different age level, and this is what you get when you more or less on this computation when you get terminally ill, chronically ill, critically ill, and on death. So how can this company do this? This company has been around for 173 years since 1874, I think. Well, see. I see 18 something. I forgot. 1848. You know. And the oldest mutual company in America. AM Best Financial Rating. A excellent. Second highest of 16. 39 billion in total assets, up to 3% from December 31, 2020. And 229 million um, with core earnings and growing. That's the year 2000. This is the second quarter. Uh, it They paid 3.3 billion in benefits paid to policy owners in 2019. So it's pretty stable, you know. So let me. So that's why I'm so passionate about this. And the number one IMO is, or say the broker, is PFA, Premier Financial Association Alliance. Based on Georgia, USA, founded in 1989, in 2007 to present, agency model. 2008 become number one IMO with NLG SLW in 2014 to the present. Product leadership system, compensation, and timing. So it has been a very proven business system. So it's pretty stable, and so life insurance for every need, life insurance for every body, you know. So you have term series, fixed universal whole life index universal life, survivorship index universal life. I'm not going to go into that yet, you know. So let's up like the cell phone. There's an evolution that is always upgrade. There's always an upgrade almost yearly, and the same thing with life insurance. It's an upgrade to what we have. And I learned that you could have several life insurance, and because I want families to be protected. Okay, so it's just the evolution of the life insurance. It's living life by design. I like that. You know. So let's talk about it. give me a call, or we can Zoom. Uh, just send me a message, and we'll make an appointment to do a Zoom. So let's protect our loved ones, especially those who depend on us. So good night, folks. This is it. God bless us all. And contact me. Contact me.